Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can anyone please share your screen? So today I would like to discuss about one important area that we are not discussed in the earlier. Can anyone please share the screen? Okay. So just go to Notepad. Babri, please make it mute. Yeah. So just increase your font size. Format. Go to font. Yeah, format. There is option is there font. Yeah. Second option. Take 18. Okay. Okay. Yeah, just type down how to change transport request. How to change transport request from release to modifiable. This is a very important scenario that I'm going to discuss right now. How to change the transport request from release to modifiable. Okay. So what exactly this mean? Release
Released, release
from
or released.
modifiable. Release to modifiable. Released.
Yes, sir.
RELEASED. Released to modifiable. See, once transport request is released from development to quality. Okay, once the transport request is released from development to quality, how I can reback that from release status to modify. So this is the common question. So for this point of view, we need to take help from the ABAPer in the real time. But anyhow, today I'm going to explain how to change transport request from released to modifiable. Modifiable, 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 FIABLE, modifiable mode. Okay, that's fine. So far, you have done so many configurations. So, like creation of company, company code, business area. So, at the time of doing configuration, we are getting transport request. So,
Yes.
where we can see the transport request in SAP? So, that is the first question. So, for that point of view, you just go to SE09. So, please go to SE09. So, just type down transaction code is SE09. Go to SE09. So SE09 where we can see all the transport requests in the modifiable not released. So far we haven't released anything. So please go to SE09. Okay, so here you can see there are two types of request types are there. One is customized request and second one is workbench request. So generally we are not doing any workbench request. So workbench request will be handled by only ABAP consultant. So please remove workbench request option over there, and we are completely responsible for customizing request, not workbench. Okay, in real time. So customized request will be handled by only FICO consultant. So we are not taking any workbench request over here, and just go to display option. So just go to display. You already selected modifiable, and no, just come down. There is one option display. Just double click on display. Have you not created anything, any configurations?
Yes, sir. I created.
User ID.
Sir, this is my user ID.
Okay, so you have created a company. What is that? Creation of company, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so first transport request number is DPKK 988. What is that? DPKK
9001118.
188. This is the parent tier. So generally we call it as a parent tier or main tier. And after that, so just expand the second one. Yeah, please expand. So here you can see all the information related to particular TR has given in this place. Just go to top. Yeah, just go up. Yeah, see. First one is main tier. Second one is sub tier. So just show me where is main tier and sub tier. No, TR number. So just I informed you, right? So DPKK 900188 is main tier. Just select that one. Top. Yeah. So that is the main tier. And the second one is DPKK 900199 is the sub tier, right?
Okay.
So select that one. Second tier, sub tier. Yes. So select. Yeah. Select that option. No, you double click. So don't click double. So select, only select. Yes, that one you just click. Okay, there is icon is right. Then go to top. Then go to top. There is one transport option is there. Go to top, transport vehicle. No. Yes, that one you just double click. You need to release. See, we are releasing transport request from development to quality. Of course, here we don't have any quality. So just assume that we have quality in the system. So quality server in the system. Okay, just we released the sub tier. Now you need to release the main tier. Select the main tier. And again double click. Release. So once you click on this button, so it will not be visible in this place. This TR will not be visible in this place. Okay, so we are releasing the transport request from development to quality, but unfortunately we don't have any quality system. So just assume that there is a quality system, right? So once we are released this transport request, here it will not be visible. So that things we can see in the released options, not modified.
Okay.
Just be patient, it will take some time because you are doing these things first time, right? So it will take some time. See, in real time, so we need to release the TRs, right? So once you created any configuration, after the TR will be raised. So where we can see the TRs, so that
Yes,
the
sir.
TRs we can see in the SE09 transaction code. So once we find out that the TR, then we can release. So initially we have to release the sub TR and after that the parent TR. What happened? It's okay, it is taking more time. Okay, it is taking some time, but it's not completed. See, once it is completed, once it is released, it will not be visible in this place. Okay, so where is that? So just go to SE09. Okay, just go to SE09. SE09, we can see all the transport requests. So just go to display option, modifiable. So here we couldn't find anything because this is released status, not in the modifiable. Just go back. Select the released option, remove the modifiable, and select yesterday. Then there is icon is there. Since yesterday. You can select since yesterday and display. So this means it is released. Okay. So we are seeing this transport request in the released status from the modifiable because so we have transported this TR from development to quality. Okay. So now take the screenshot. So just expand all those things one by one. Yeah, one by one expand. Yeah, one by one expand. There are so many things we can find out. Okay. Okay, so you will have to take the screenshot and send it to basis team to forward the TR from development to quality system. So these all things are not required, only main TR and sub TR, the details you need to forward. Okay, so you need to ask the basis team, please forward this transport request from development to quality. So they will change, they will forward this transport request from development to quality. Now the question is, just go to Notepad. So today I explained how to release the transport request from SE09 by using the transaction code SE09. But the question is, how to change the transport request from released to modifiable mode. So just now we have released. So I just want to change the text. I need to change the text again. So earlier we have, what is the text? Just go to the SE09 show me. So what is the text is there? So creation of company S2 books. Okay, I want to change this text. I want to change this text right now. How it is possible? Because we already released it. We already released status. So now I just want to make it back in the modifiable manner. I mean in modifiable mode, how we can do this? This is the question. Okay, so I just want to change the description of creation of company S2 books. So I just need to change it to S3 books, not S2. So I come to know that it is not S2 books, it is S3 books, where I can change it. So for that point of view, we need to go to SC38. SC38. How to change the, just type down how to change short text from released to released status to modifiable mode. Okay. Now we just go to SC38. SC38 is just like program. We can see the program details in the SC38, and also we can execute. So just go to SC38. So here we can see the program details. Okay. So for changing the transport request from released status to, from changing the text, short text from released status to modifiable mode, then there is one program will be there. So that program name is, just type down R double D IT, sorry, 1T 076. Maybe it's not one, it may be I, just check it out. It may be I, not one. So program, just type down in the notepad the program name RDDITO76. Just type down the program name RDD, program name RDDIT RDD, capital. Program should be capital. RDDITO IT 076. I don't know it is O or 076. We just maybe it's O. It's 076. It's 076. Okay. So this is the program. Okay. So generally program will be designed by ABAP consultant. So we need to execute this program first. Okay. So just go to SC38 transaction code. So here we enter the program details, and top there is one execute option, execute button option is there. Just double click on that execute button option. Okay, so system is asking the request task number. Here we need to give the parent sub TR, main TR number. Okay, so for that point of view, just go to SE, just open the new tab. So /o SE09. So I just want to give the transport request main TR number. So display. So for the copy, you just copy. For copying, just use Control Y and copy. Control Y. Control Y, Control Y.
Sir, not happening.
Okay, then you need to type down all these things in that place. DPKK. Yeah, it's there. Yeah. Control C. Control C and Control V. Okay. So just go to SE38 and paste it over here. Okay, now just execute top there is execute button is there. Just type down. See, here we can find request task type WQ status released. Status is showing as a released. Just show me that status released. Third option. Yeah, and that means we already released from development to quality. Okay, assume that we already released this transport request from development to quality. The first and second one is main TR and sub TRs. Okay, so then who is the owner for this TRs also be given. So owner is, show me that owner name, SHIRI. Okay, he is the owner. He is the owner, and request number is customized. So FICO consultant will be responsible for customized request. Okay, date when it was released 16/06/2001. Time, so this time is released. Now I just want to change the short description. So just double click on the first one, DPKK9 main TR. Just double click. Okay, so in the below there is a green button. The near to there is one option is there, specs and pencil option. Yeah, just double click. Second one, change option. Yeah, it's already changeable mode. 1 minute, it's already changeable mode. No, just a change option. Yeah, click change option. Remove the status or first. Just go to, yeah, drill down, take modifiables, take modifiable L. Yes. Okay, just go to short description and just type down instead of S2 you can take S3 books. Okay, now you can click OK, save or OK. Okay, and just go to second one, double click, and the same thing you can do it right now for this sub PR also. Change S3 book instead of S2. Okay, right. So almost we have done everything. Okay, then again go to SC09. Again then go to SC09. Back. Okay, just select the mod SC09. Just type down SC09. Okay, just select modifiable. 1 minute. Don't select released option. Yeah, display. Now you can see. So this is in again modifiable manner, not released status. Again come to the modifiable manner. So we haven't released the transport request. Now if you want to release again, where we can do it, just show me how the transport request will be released. Yeah, second one you need to select second one, second sub TR, second one, and yeah, that's fine. Why you are doing all these things? Second one, second you need to select and
Sorry.
yeah, second. First we need to select second, and just go to transport request release. Okay, and select the first TR and transport request release. See, once it is released, it will not be visible in this place. So this is the thing I just want to inform to you guys, because these things will be happening in real time. And see that things we can see in released status. We can also change the short description of the TR. We can also change the short description of the TR by using the SE38 transaction code. I hope you understand this concept.